The next DSG option is composite channel math operation, which is to apply some basic math operation from multiple DSG channels and assign the result to a new channel. First let's add one new channel, channel 4 to the DSG. Then in channel 4 menu, turn on this radial button for composite channel and the menu will switch to the composite channel math operation menu as shown here. Simply enter the formula for the new channel from the other existing channels, which are presented by C1, C2, C3, and so on. Let's enter 50 times channel 1 minus 5 times channel 2 plus channel 3. Two more options are also available to the new channel for adding Gaussian white noise or applying single channel math operation. Now click play to start signal processing. Channel 1, 2, and 3 are the same as before. But now the new channel 4 is the composite channel computed from channel 1, 2, and 3.